All right, so we're going to go over how to add your terms and conditions document and your privacy policy document onto your form if it's listed on there. Um, so before you saw this video, you should have saw the video that explains how to add your terms and conditions and your privacy policy at the bottom or the footer of your website. So at that point, you should already have your privacy policy and your terms and conditions documents already uploaded into 360. With that being said, what we're going to need to do is take the URL from those documents that we uploaded into 360, and we're going to add them to our links, our hyperlinks that will be there on our form for the privacy policy and the terms and conditions. So let's go to media storage, which is on the left hand side of your dashboard on the menu, and we're going to grab these URLs. What we'll probably need to do is just go one at a time because we'll have to flip flop back and forth through the screens. So I may move just a little bit faster through this particular tutorial, but if I move it a little bit too fast for you, you can always slow the video down with the gear that you see on the screen. All right, so let's go to media storage. And let's upload a couple in here because at this moment I don't have mine in here. So let's just upload them really quickly. All right. So we have both of them in here, and if you put your cursor over either or, let's start with the terms and conditions PDF that we have, and you'll see these three vertical dots. We're going to click on those dots, and then we're going to click on Get Link. All right, so we've copied the link. Now let's switch over to our forms. We're going to get there by going back to the menu, the left-hand side, clicking Sites, and then we're going to go to our tabs at the top of the screen and click on Forms. We're going to go to the form that we want to add this to. So we'll start with this one. And here's our form. And you see how we have the privacy policy and the terms and conditions, which is also known as the terms of service, at the bottom of the screen. And there's a hyperlink here. So what we're going to do is click on the outside of here to generate the box that'll pop up around it. If you click on this, it's just going to upload the whatever is linked to that into another tab at the top, and we don't want to do that right now. So click on the outside to make that box pop up, and then on the right hand side here we'll have our text box, and then here's where our hyperlink is. So since we're doing the terms of conditions, we're going to highlight terms of service, and then we're going to click on the vertical three dots right here, and then we're going to click on the link. This first one, not this one, that's to unlink. This is to add a link. And then we have our box that pops open and it says insert link. We're going to take our URL because that is what our link is. We're going to highlight the URL that's currently in there as a sample. And then we're going to you can right click with your mouse and then paste it. Or you can do a Control and V on your computer from your keyboard. We're going to hit confirm. And now we have our link in there for our terms of service or terms and conditions document. And you can click on it and check it as well to make sure that it's working, and it should. And Let's see, let's add in our privacy policy. It should be the exact same way, but I'll show you how to do that as well. Before you click off of the screen, make sure you hit the save button or you're going to have to do it again. More than likely, it might stop you anyways. The screen will pop up to tell you, you're about to click out. Are you sure you want to do that? So hopefully it'll save you. Let's go back. Let's hit the back button in the upper left-hand corner. We're going to go back to media storage. And now we're going to do the privacy policy. Same way. Click the 3 vertical buttons here. Click get link to copy. The link, we're going to go back to sites on the left-hand side of the menu. At the top here, we're going to go to forms, click on forms, and then you're going to go to the form that you were working in. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on the outside here. So the box will generate, and then we're going to go to text. On the right-hand side, we're going to highlight the privacy policy because that's what we're working on. And we're going to click on the 3 vertical dots, add link, not unlink, add link, highlight the URL sample, and then we're going to, I'm pressing Control V on my keyboard to paste it in there. You can also right click on your mouse and then click paste on the pop-up box that appears. We're going to click confirm, and then now we've added it, and we're going to hit save. And now you have your privacy policy added and your terms and conditions added to your form.